online jobs, though you can earn a little USD dollars. So you can create your account by using your email and password. That's it. And then this is my new account. So let us try if it's worth it. So you can earn $0.50 or 50 cents. Just refer your friend. So right now this is my new account. You can upload any videos, of course, related to cup type. So just create a high quality videos, and then you can upload to your YouTube, and then you can um, type it or paste your YouTube link here, and then submit. Then they will review if you earn $30. Okay, so you can withdraw. Of course, I don't have um, money right now, so let us just go back to the dashboard. Okay, let's start doing solving captchas. Let us see. You can simply type, of course, the letters, whether if it's big or not, and then Q. Let's see if it's correct. Mm, there are some. Please type the exact case sensitive. Okay, I have point 15. Let us try C, D, G, C. And submit. And see, I will earn $0.15 if I complete this. 2DAG. Of course, you have to make it fast. There are some um, minor issue here. It's not an issue, but it always keep on popping the other link for scatter, I think, whenever you submit. But you can simply back using your phone. See, I have 5 tasks. The It's a simple thing. You simply type and then you will earn dollars. It automatically add. Okay. See, just a simple type you can earn. So if you don't have any job, if you are mom at home, you can have this while typing. I will show you if I can withdraw, but let us see if it's work it. Okay, so two more. C and G. I'm not sure if this is a big C, but let us see. small, and the one with high pen, you still have to put in, or you still have to type in. Okay. Instead of popping the scatter one. One more. Okay. It's a little bit it fast. There is some commercial, or what we call that, scatter. See? Okay. So after 5 hours, you can earn again. Okay, then let us go back to my profile. Oh, I do have earnings now. You say, see, capture one, and then let us go back to my. Hmm. If I withdraw the funds, oh, so here are the minimum. Oh, I have Pioneer, so I can use this. Okay. Emerns. Oh, I see. In order for you to withdraw, you still have to refer. Okay. For Pioneer, I think I can use Pioneer. Why? Because it's only three. You can refer three. Okay. I think it's a good. I will create another one if I withdraw here. Okay, you can try. I will try to upload here, and then I will create another one once I withdraw.